3, 2, 1 and take. So here we are, episode 11 of Kris in the Kitchen, and welcome to my broadcast showing you how to cook a nutritious, tasty and easy to cook meal in the kitchen. Today's meal comprises of fillet steak tails, potatoes, onions, mushrooms, with a total of about 1200 calories, which is about 1/3 of your daily calorie intake requirement if you're leading a normal and active lifestyle. So given that I'm trying to get down to I'm 75 kilos, I'm 75 kg, I'm eating very little during the day, maybe no more than 200 or 300 calories, and then in the evening I'll have a main meal which I'm about to share with you. Enjoy. So here we are, cooking with Kris tonight, and I'm in the kitchen going to turn this, voila, steak, potatoes, egg, red onion and mushrooms into a delicious and nourishing. So we slice it all up, and as you can see I've got potatoes part boiling with the mushrooms in the large pan, and shortly I will be removing the water and adding the sliced onions and the steak. Delicious. So we've strained off the potatoes and put a bit of olive oil in the pan, and I'm now going to add this little lot to the pan. So we have potatoes and mushrooms, and I've just thrown the onions in the pan. I'll give them a few minutes. Give them a bit of olive oil, and we'll add the steak shortly. So now we put the steak in. Voila, steak. And I'm just going to add a little bit of chilli sauce. I do like my food a bit spicy. And here we go. A little bit of chilli sauce in there to make it piquant, as they call it in France. Piquant. So here we have steak, potatoes, onions, an egg with a little bit of cheese in it, washed down with some Adam's ale. Delicious.